The Ulefone Note 16 Pro entered the market amidst a wave of ultra-budget phones from various Chinese manufacturers. This phone, equipped with a Unisoc T606 processor and 8GB of RAM, joined the ranks of similar devices from brands like Blackview, Oscal, Umidiki, Alcatel, and Cubit. While these phones shared many similarities in terms of specifications, the Ulefone Note 16 Pro aimed to make its mark in this competitive landscape. Upon unboxing the Ulefone Note 16 Pro, one is greeted with a standard set of accessories including an instruction manual, charging cable, power supply, silicone bumper, and a SIM card pin. The appearance of the phone seems to draw inspiration from the iPhone 14, adopting a dark purple hue that resembles the new color option of Apple's flagship. The rear of the phone boasts a dual camera setup and flash, while the volume and power buttons with an integrated fingerprint scanner are located on the right side. The bottom of the phone features USB Type-C charging port, a conversational microphone, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the left side, a dual SIM card slot or a combination of one SIM card and a memory card can be found. In terms of build quality, the back panel is constructed from matte plastic that unfortunately feels less sturdy than desired. The plastic exhibits a tendency to bend even with minimal pressure, giving it a somewhat fragile sensation. The 6.5-inch HD display offers decent quality and touch response, but it operates at a standard 60Hz refresh rate, rather than the more common 90Hz found in many competing devices. The phone's display performance overall is satisfactory, with good touch sensitivity and acceptable color representation. Despite being an ultra-budget device, the Ulefone Note 16 Pro manages to keep the bezels around the screen relatively slim. However, a larger chin is noticeable at the bottom. The front of the device houses the front camera, a conversation speaker, and various sensors within a small teardrop-shaped notch. At the heart of the phone lies the Unisoc T606 processor, an 8-core budget processor that has been seen in several other smartphones. Performance-wise, it can handle basic tasks well, and even accommodate some light gaming, though it's not recommended for intensive gaming sessions. The phone features 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, with the ability to expand virtual RAM by 8GB, theoretically reaching a total of 16GB. However, this expansion is largely a marketing gimmick rather than practical usability. The battery capacity of 4,400 mAh is somewhat on the smaller side compared to its competitors, though the phone's power optimization contributes to a reasonable battery life for an ultra-budget device. During Wi-Fi video streaming, the battery drain is around 8% per hour. The Ulefone Note 16 Pro's camera setup consists of a 50-megapixel main camera and a 2-megapixel macro camera. While the camera performance is decent for its price range, it's important not to expect flagship-level photo quality. The phone is capable of shooting full HD videos at 30 FPS. The phone runs on an international version with all languages available, and it comes preloaded with Google applications, including the Play Store. The phone operates smoothly for basic tasks, and while it lacks some advanced features like NFC, its fingerprint scanner works effectively. To sum up, I can confidently assert that the Ulefone Note 16 Pro stands as one of the weakest contenders in its class when compared to its competitors. While it may seem that this device shares similarities with others, a few critical shortcomings taint the overall experience. Certainly, the display quality isn't terrible, and the camera produces decent photos. However, when viewed holistically, there are numerous aspects that fall short. Foremost, the build quality is nothing short of disappointing. It's hard to ignore how the back cover flexes even with the slightest touch. This comprises the overall integrity of the device. Furthermore, the battery capacity is notably subpar compared to its competitors, and the absence of an NFC chip is a glaring omission. In my view, if given the opportunity, it would be wiser to explore alternatives, as the Note 16 Pro is far from being a top-tier choice. If you had your sights set on acquiring a contemporary ultra-budget device from China, there are better options available. As I conclude, I wish to extend my heartfelt gratitude for your support. Your engagement in the form of likes, comments, and subscribing to the channel means the world to me. Your brief investment of time holds immense significance, and I genuinely appreciate your attention. Thank you.